Yeah, you just record us.
Okay.
Just Can
I fix my hair and stuff? Can I?
No, you can't check the mirror and you can't check the nose. It is what it is, my friend. You don't have to go too high on it, huh?
Nope.
Let me know when you're... Hold on one second.
Just enough to get over those steps.
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm following you.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm up on top.
I thought I seen a plant right here.
He moved it.
Okay. I'm gonna swing straight, okay?
Okay. And then you have about 4 inches on each side.
Good. This is the bottom.
Okay. You can clear this. Just watch the table on your right. You gotta straighten out some. Good.
Good. Good.
Come into the doorway.
Okay.
Straight. Turn.
Straight.
Keep straight out. Good to get on in. You're gonna go in first, okay?
Okay.
Do a little spin around here.
Facing this way, right?
Where's that? Oh, right here?
Yep.
Yeah, right here. Here we go. That's picturing the house from yesterday. Oh, maybe because I...
Should I go ahead and stop it now?
Okay. Please. Thank you.
You're welcome.